Good evening, Hamilton. We are interrupting your regularly scheduled programming with breaking news. Vacu-Man Furnace and Duct Cleaning has won bronze at CommunityVotes Hamilton 2026 in the Duct Cleaning category. Again, bronze at the CommunityVotes Hamilton 2026 Awards in Duct Cleaning. Sources confirm that out of 5,901 nominated businesses across Hamilton, real community members voted Vacu-Man onto the podium. No judges, no panels, just Hamilton residents who trusted this family-owned company with their furnaces and air ducts for 45 years and came back to say, yes, that is who I recommend. Authorities are reporting that the plaque has already been mounted on the wall at Vacu-Man headquarters and that under no circumstances will it be removed. We are now receiving word that the company has been cleaning Hamilton air since 1980 and has a 4.8-star rating on Google. Hamilton, we are genuinely honored. 45 years of showing up for this city and this city showing up for us. Bronze never felt this good. If your furnace or air ducts are overdue for a cleaning, call 905-333-5454 or visit vacuman.com. This has been breaking news. Stay clean, Hamilton.